There was a phase in my life where I was drinking energy drinks on a daily basis.
Guys, I'm a chronic energy drink drinker.
These are all my things, so
चलो दोबारा करो एक बारी.
No, not Buga. Bun.
Okay.
हम पे रेड बुल है, बोगा है, बर्न है, 16th है, स्पार एनर्जी है और टॉनिक वाटर.
सब एक सी क्यों है यार?
Hello everyone. So now we are headed to a very special segment of this vlog. So it's gonna be an energy drink challenge wherein I'm gonna give them 5 different energy drinks and they're supposed to.
What's up, fam?
So yes, the fam, they're supposed to guess which energy drink is which one. That's their competition. Like they're gonna compete. So each one of us is gonna sit and we're gonna guess which is which energy drink. So see you there. So first contender is Brak.
So there was a phase in my life where I was drinking energy drinks on a daily basis, but my go-to drink is always tonic water. So let's begin with the blind taste test. I guess these guys will interchange all.
Let's go.
Yes, we will. I will.
Okay.
Which one is it?
Spar energy, I feel.
बहुत slow.
Burn.
Okay, next.
Definitely not Red Bull. This one is और कौन सी 16th? Buga.
Ready?
Yeah. कितनी रहेगी भाई, मुझे तो पता भी नहीं चल रहा. पहली वाली रेड बुल थी.
Okay.
तो वो ये बर्न कर दो इसको.
अच्छा, this one.
हाँ.
Okay, final.
Of course, my favorite tonic water.
Is that your final?
Yes.
No?
Let's go.
Okay, so how did I perform?
भूगा को तूने बर्न बोला,
अच्छा.
बर्न को 16th बोला, 16th को भूगा बोला, स्पार एनर्जी को बर्न बोला, टॉनिक वाटर तो सही था.
दो ही सही है.
और Red Bull
also.
रेड बुल सही था, तूने लास्ट में चेंज किया.
2 out of 6.
So that goes on to show how dedicated of a drinker I am of tonic water. All the best to everyone else.
So now we have our second contender, Manan Arora. So Manan, what's your story?
Guys, this is my
बहुत सालों से
everyday
इतना जा रहा है.
thing. So I know I'm gonna win it, and my favorite drink is Booga.
Red Bull.
No, not Booga, Bun.
Okay.
Okay. Shall
So
we
let's
begin?
go.
कोई भी पिला सकता है, तो थोड़ी आया उसमें पिलाओ.
The first one's coming your way.
Okay.
क्या हो गया? ये तो तेरा everyday है.
What happened to
Guys,
him?
जल्दी ले, टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास.
बस कर भाई.
सुबह पनीर निकल रहा है. जिंक.
this is Bun.
सीधा.
Guys, this is 16th.
Okay. मेरे को तो कुछ बड़ा प्रेशर लग रहा है देखते देखते. हाँ भाई.
Spar energy.
Okay.
ऐसी क्यों है यार?
वही तो मैं कह रहा हूँ.
Booga. सब एक है यार. सब एक होती है. पागल बनाती है ये कंपनियां.
अब स्पार एनर्जी और टॉनिक वाटर रहेगा.
टॉनिक को Booga.
Okay.
Do you want to change anything?
No.
Okay. Go. Wanna remove your mask?
How much marks do you think you got?
Yeah.
2.
Okay. You can.
You got
One.
one.
Only tonic water is right. And what are star energy tha?
Oh. Fail. Fail.
What are your parting words?
I guess I wanna drink more.
गाइस कैमरा अब हमारे पास है. क्या कहना चाहोगे स्माइल के बारे में?
Hacked.
I think Smile can go for 6 for 6. But still, we'll see.
6 for 6.
पर इस बार पेपर मैं सेट करूंगा.
Let's see guys what she will do. फिर से बोल.
हो गया? रुको. shuffle.
स्माइल अपनी फेवरेट चीज में blindfolded.
So smile, how do you feel?
I am pretty excited, but the thing is that I have not had them since 6 months. So let's see. how it's
If
gonna
you
go.
say so, Smile. If you say.
Exactly. Let's see, but.
Okay, let's
Fingers
begin.
crossed.
All the best.
This is Booga.
Okay.
The 16th.
Okay. ये थोड़ा ऊपर करना एंगल.
Inspire energy. Oh, this one very close. Maybe burn.
Okay.
What all is left now?
16th and Red Bull.
Oh, I didn't think about Red Bull. Maybe this one's Red Bull.
You forgot
or
one.
Inspire energy or burn or tonic water.
Oh no.
You want
क्या?
more sips?
You want to try?
change all your choices now?
I think you are forgetting a few cans.
This is pretty similar.
There is an ugly duckling. There's a bad apple between the lot that you are forgetting.
Do you want taste again?
I can get tonic water also.
Last one, do you want to taste again?
I tasted all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah, you want to
I've
go?
seen all of them.
You
Yes.
you want to take it slowly this time around?
I can get.
Let's do it slowly.
Let's do it again.
अर्चना slowly.
यार
फिर से एक बार.
Okay.
Taste.
चलो 1 2 3 start करो.
But it tastes pretty good.
Is it tonic water?
No, it's not tonic water. I
Ambrose यही
think it's Red Bull.
Okay. So
How much are you expecting?
0.
No, you did pretty well.
okay.
What's her score?
Let's go for the grand.
Her score is I think
I should go for it. or no?
Yeah, you can remove.
4.
Smile,
इसमें
smile, 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 smile. You made a cardinal sin. You made a cardinal sin.
वाटर को रेड बुल बोली है तो
टॉनिक वाटर को इसने बुगा बोला है.
सॉरी भूगा बोला.
तूने कार्डिनल सिन किया है.
God, I'm so sorry to disappoint you.
मनन इसको ड्रिंकिंग गैंग से निकालना चाहेगा.
Out.
मुझे तो ड्रिंकिंग गैंग से निकालना चाहेगा इसको.
Should have water only. Agua.
How can you say tonic water?
I just didn't recognize. I thought it tastes bitter, but it doesn't.
my turn. So guys, I am the most noob one here. I don't, know the taste of even one of them. I'm just gonna try and guess and
win it.
Yeah. The only thing I drink is water and sometimes Coke.
We
I
have
like
tonic
Coke,
water.
but these are not my things, so I'm just gonna guess.
Fingers
Let's
crossed. No.
Wait. Okay.
Okay. This is Booga. This one is bitter.
Ew.
I think it's tonic water. I think this one is Booga.
Okay. दोबारा टेस्ट कर ले.
Yeah.
Pretty similar they are, but yeah. This one also tastes the same. I'll go with Spar Energy.
This is Spar, the one you tasted right now.
Yeah, Spar Energy.
Okay.
I think this one is Red Bull. It's not. It's not. But let me take the last one and then I will guess 5th and 6th. ये again थी ना ये same है ना?
नहीं maybe you never know.
Is it the last one?
Yes.
So I think the last one was Red Bull. Before that, Burn. And yeah, that's how I scored 0. How much I scored?
5 on 6.
नहीं.
क्या 5 on 6 भाई?
गलत.
Sorry, 1 on 6.
Even one is a victory for me. Which one did I guess right?
Tonic water.
Yeah. The most bitter thing. Why do you even drink this?
Because I like it.
Okay, thank you guys.
Cheers.
Guys, say hi.
Hi guys.
Madam, say hi.
What's up, fam?
Backstage, guys, backstage.
I think Mudit can definitely do a better job than us, because I remember in Ukraine, Smile, you got a birthday gift of a full crate of hell. 16,
It was
hell, but there were around 22 packs in it, individual cans, and you guys finished it off in 2 to 3 days. So you guys know.
We have capacity.
So I know you guys can do it.
And has
अब बोल
कर सकता है वो.
टैलेंट है उसमें अर्चना जी
I feel he is the most experienced guy. Yeah.
We will not talk about medicine like this.
If we have done 6 years of medicine, he has done 60 years of drinking all these. So he is 60 years of age.
मजा नहीं आया.
छोड़.
Mudit, baby! The cooker Kamalda of our year. So, what you got to say about your story?
Guys, I'm a chronic energy drink drinker, so I should feel confident about it, because I tend to have, want to have energy drink with every meal. That is very wrong, but still. But I think
He has the record to-
I am pretty confident about it. Me and Smile have had a lot of drinks.
He has the record to finish a crate of hell.
Yeah, me and Smile together.
Yes.
But I think I should be good with it.
Okay. Let's go.
Oh. Arey, Buga. This is my everyday drink. This is Nimish's drink, guys.
You're doing great.
दोबारा. कौन सी रहेगी? 16 स्पार, Red Bull और
Burn.
एक लाख. I think it's Red Bull.
Okay.
You think or are you sure? I'm not sure, but I think so.
It's okay, you can change your decision.
यार ये तो बड़ी सिमिलर है यार. Now it's Spar, 16th and I think it is Burn. Oh, I'll go for Burn right now. Spar और कौन सी लगी?
16.
Okay, I think it is Spar.
And the last one is?
Yeah.
Only 16th is left.
Okay, I'll go for 16.
Alright. What do you think? How much have you scored?
It is very similar. It is actually, as Man said, it is all a ploy to just, it's all outside advertisements. This drink is the same. But yeah, I'm pretty confident.
How much are you expecting?
I think at least I'll get 3 of them right.
Okay.
But
So,
I trust my sense of taste. But yeah,
so are you ready for the grand reveal?
okay.
Let's go. Remove it.
4 सही बोले उसने.
But you got 4 on 6, buddy. Got the.
Burn और 16 और Spa Energy में तू वो हो गया.
So I'm the winner.
So I scored 1 on 6. You scored?
2 on 6.
1 on 6. 1 on 6. I am on
4
the
on
same.
6, 4.
I am on. Smile and me are on the same level.
And Manan as well. I can't imagine that.
The surprise factor was Manan.
शर्मनाक सारथी है.
Yeah. So cheers to.
Just letting you know, Manan
winning.
does this. And Mudit, definitely this should go to.
I
actually did a celebrity appearance here. I knew I was gonna win, but I
But I just
wanted to make them feel they had a chance.
Smile, there is something I want to add. Please clip this and send this to his parents. They should know how much he knows about energy
But
drinks.
eventually the chronic drinker won, guys.
He's
One
the
for the
chronic-
chronic drinker.
I know my taste.
So keep on drinking energy drinks. Bye.
Don't drink
See you
alcohol.
in the next
Drink energy
one.
drinks.